The 1967 FIA Mustang by Ruffian Cars, an automotive masterpiece that blends vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. The FIA Fastback was designed as a gentleman's racer and is heavily inspired by the amazing Shelby FIA Cobras that raced in Europe. This stunning build is a perfect example of what can be achieved when classic design meets modern engineering. The heart of this 1967 FIA Mustang is a Shelby aluminum block, 364 cubic inch Ford 289 engine, delivering an impressive 500 horsepower. This powerful engine runs on 91 octane pump gas and is fueled by Weber 48 IDA carburetors and an Aeromotive 340 in-tank pump. Power is transmitted through a Tremec TKX 5-speed manual transmission. The car features a carbon drive shaft for reduced weight and increased strength. The differential boasts a 3.89 to 1 gear ratio, torque worm differential, and 31 spline axles. The rear axle is a street or track floating rear axle. Watts link with 1 degree negative camber, enhancing stability and handling. Wheels and tires. Wheels. American Racing Shelby Cobra Centerlock wheel size, front and rear. 15 by 9.5 inch. Wheel finish, matte bronze. Tires, Avon CR6 ZZ, front 275/50/15, rear 295/50/15. Chassis design, original Ford unibody, convertible inner rockers and seat riser. Shocks, Bilstein coilovers at all 4 corners. Front suspension, street or track double wishbone tubular. Rear suspension, street or track. Watts link floating rear axle with 1 degree negative camber. Steering. Unisteer rack and pinion. KRC pump brakes, rotors, and calipers. Street or track. Trans Am Series Kelsey Hayes Thunderbird calipers with heavy-duty rotors. Clutch and brake masters. Willwood functional brake cooling ducts, front and rear. The interior of the 1967 FIA Mustang is a blend of classic style and modern comfort. It features Bride Hystrix Super Aeromotive seats with custom upholstery by Auto Addiction OC, including houndstooth seat and door inserts. Classic Instruments Auto X Series gauges provide accurate and easy-to-read information. The custom Jake Palm shifter adds a unique touch, and the horn button, designed as a vintage arcade, pays homage to Chris's video game designing career. The paint and bodywork, completed by Auto Addiction OC, showcase a stunning blend of Porsche Brewster Green, Kia Solar Yellow, and Ford Wimbledon White.